Hi guys, welcome back to Sport Tutorial channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to turn off dark mode on Chrome Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the start it. First we go to Chrome application here, click on. You can see the Google's on Chrome have the dark mode here. You can click the three dots in the upper of the corner. After that you can click settings, scroll down until you found the theme, click on, and you can click the light on system default. I can click light here and the Chrome will be changed with the light mode. This is a tutorial how to turn off dark mode on Chrome Android. I hope this video is useful for you and thank you.